Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have got a bit of a cold, that's why my voice sounds like this. Just kidding, my name is Rafid and I'm Nuzuma's brother, and she asked me to lend my voice for this video. So it's gonna be something really fun. So today I'm gonna do a Santa Claus makeover. As you can see, I'm wearing a Santa Claus outfit already. Now I'm gonna take a baby skin something which is made of 100% baby skin and apply it all over my face. Then I'm gonna take these two contraptions and paint myself like a Horin, because Horin is my favorite animal. Now I'm gonna paint my face like a deer with all that white dots everywhere. Then I'm gonna take a 5-volt DC motor operated Khorgosher lenja and rub it all over my face. Look how that motor is working. That's a brilliant motor right there. I fear my sister's face is gonna fall off with so much pressure being applied. Anyway, I'm gonna take this thing. I'm not really good with makeup stuff, so I'm just gonna say thing. And I'm gonna paint myself like those blue animals from Avatar. Yeah, just like that. Then I'm gonna use that 5-volt DC motor Khorgosher lenja to rub it all over my face again. Doing this voiceover, I've noticed girls who apply a lot of makeup should be having really good blood circulation all over their face, because you're applying so much pressure regularly. And I'm gonna take this brush thingy and draw over my mustache. Now take this sleek looking box, cover the mirror and make that weird facial expression like she's sucking something very thick from a straw, like I don't know, a lassi or yogurt or something. She's really working hard to look like a Santa Claus. I hope you all appreciate. We're rubbing the little nose tip as well. I don't know why she's smiling though. She's giving a really weird look at that. She's weirdly smiling every time she's applying makeup. Now she's going to be using this weird UFO thing from Koi Mil Gaya or something. Look at that highlighter. That highlighter is brighter than my future. She's going to blend it all in. Now using her fingers to give an extra touch here and there. Now rubbing it again. Now she's going to be using aerosol because there's a lot of mosquito. Let the mosquitoes fly over. Now she's going to be using a Vicks. Wait, that's not Vicks. I thought that was a Vicks inhaler or something. She's using Vicks inhaler all over her eyes. Rubbing with the brush again, reaching all the nooks and cranny. This is a really hard work, right? Now she's using a Huda beauty palette. I don't know, egulo Huda use kore manushjon. Again, trying to reach all that nook and cranny so it looks all blended in. As she's working on her makeup, we can slowly see the Santa Claus look coming up. As you can see, her left eye is already made, but her right eye is not done. Thank you, Captain Obvious. She's gonna use that red dapper looking powder over her eyes. Look at how fiercely she's going through her eyes. She's going to gouge her eyeballs out. This is dangerous. এখন এই খয়েরি রঙের কালারটা নিয়ে I think যে ভালো মেকআপ করতে পারে, that person automatically should be a good painter, you know. নিজের চেহারাতে এত মেকআপের কালার কম্বিনেশন যে ভালো করে জানে, সে হয়তো পেইন্টিংও ভালো করতে পারে. I should ask my sister to start painting as well. Now the other eye is also coming out, really nice. Huda Beautyতে হুদাই অনেকক্ষণ সময় লাগাচ্ছে. Jesus, her eyes are taking a lot of time. Now for the final touch, she's going to use that golden powder thing over her eyelids. She can't even open her eyes, it's so heavy with all this makeup. Things she does for views. Now we can see the eyelids are done. Now she's going to take some nail polish and apply it on her nails. Wait, what? She's taking some nail polish and applying it on her eyes. This is not right. Now that extra line over her eyes so that she can look like Deepika Padukone. Now she's taking my brother's pencil. I don't know why she took my brother's pencil and she's drawing all over her eyes with that pencil. Now she's again taking a little small brush and blending it over in. This is actually hard work. Now she's taking the UFO thingy again and applying that little smudge on the corner of her eyes. Now I think it's time for the eyebrow or the eyelash. She's working carefully so that she doesn't poke her eyes. Now she again took my brother's pencil. আমার ভাই পরীক্ষা দিতে গেছে আজকে ইরেজার দিয়ে, কারণ সে পেন্সিলটা নিয়ে তার নিজের আইব্রোতে মেকআপ করছে. You know, being the brother of a makeup artist, a makeup artist who's in YouTube is a little tough. You have to always help her out, you know, get her makeup. Oh, this is lipstick. I know what a lipstick is. Finally, something I know. Now, she's using 2 lipsticks. Okay, she's using lipsticks. That's how her lips used to look before 9/11, I guess. And she's giving a little bedazzle. I don't know if that's a word. Bedazzle to her lips, so it dazzles out. আবার একটু অ্যারোসল দেবে বিকজ মশা অনেক মশা যেখানে স্টুডিও সি কত মশা তাড়াচ্ছে এখন Alrighty, so I guess we're at the end of the makeup. Now she's gonna give some weird look. Look straight in the camera, smile, tilt her head, look down, look up, smile again, hold her hair, show that her hair is colored. This takes up a lot of work and a lot of guts as well. I could never do this in front of camera. Kudos to you, sister. Now before I end this video, I would like all you beautiful audiences out there to like and subscribe to this channel, share this video, and comment down below if you really like my voiceover. Thank you, good day, good night, so bye bye.